new to board gaming.
There you are. I was looking for you. Are you sure you should be up and about?
Shikamaru. You lost your shogi opponent. You were Asuma's favorite. You must miss him too.
He taught me a bunch of things. Some more important than others. I used to complain about everything. Everything annoyed me back then. I made so many, and every time, Asuma came to my rescue. He was an odd teacher. So elusive, but to me, he was still a terrific role model. And now it's my turn. When that baby arrives, it'll be my turn as guardian and master. I guess I've got some real growing up to do.
Thank you.
If the Leaf Ninja were shogi pieces, who would be the king? What do you think?
The children who carry the leaf on their shoulders. They're the king. You're right, Asuma.
I bequeath my will of fire to you.
Yes. And I accept it.
Inherited will. Heavier than anything. More precious and warm. Many wills are inherited over and over. Handed down through eternity. An unbroken bond. The boy accepted that bond and set off down a new path. While at the same time, stolen by darkness. An avenger building up his strength in a pit of snakes. Until the time comes for him to take flight. So, you've come. Sasuke, I've been waiting for you.
Orochimaru, just what do you want with me?
Well, quite some time has passed since you came to, and I thought it was about time to examine the results of your training.
You want to test me?
It won't require much strength. It should be a trifling challenge for one.
Get on with it.
I see you're not unmotivated. All right, come with. Now then, your enemy this time will be Sound Nin. However, their number will be greater than any you faced before. the merest slip.
That's it?
Lord Orochimaru, may I join you?
So, you've taken an interest in...
Yes. I did, after all, play a large role in his training.
Very well. Do as you...
I'm ready to get started, Orochimaru.
Well then, let's see just how far you've progressed. And just how suitable a vessel for me you've become.
This just might end up being fun. Mission start!
Let it begin.
Not much of a taste.
I've prepared a little something to spice things up for you. Hope you enjoy it.
Sheer numbers can pose a threat.
You call this a threat?
Show me your power. As you must I want to see you even stronger. Show me your power.
Don't interfere! Tony Stark!
And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
Strong indeed, as you must be. Show me your power. I want to see you even stronger.
I'll use the curse mark. Over here! Over here!
Strong indeed, as you must be.
Over here!
More. Show me your power.
Over here! Over here!
Never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display. These opponents are just fun.
Over here! Over here!
I must finish this while I have the chance.
Destroy to your heart's content.
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
These opponents are just fun.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
To see you even stronger.
Rip you to pieces!
You're strong indeed, as you must be.
Rip you to pieces! Don't interfere! Don't start!
And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
You mustn't hesitate. Destroy to your heart's content.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
More. Show me your power. You've only defeated 300.
Okay, how about over here?
Rip you to pieces!
Sasuke, you haven't let go of your mercy. A ninja must be ruthless. Compassion is a fatal mistake.
How has Sasuke progressed?
He's coming along nicely. I cannot wait to make that body my own.
Rip you to pieces!
To see you even stronger.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
You're strong indeed, as you must be.
I'll use the curse mark.
Over here!
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Over here!
And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
You're strong indeed, as you must be.
Over here! Over here!
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Over here!
Show me. I want to see you even stronger.
Over here!
I should have finished this while I had the chance. These opponents are just fun.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Strong indeed, as you must be.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces! Don't interfere! Don't start!
And a mere 1,000. Not a challenge worthy of me.
More. Show me your power.
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display. And a mere 1,000. Not a challenge worthy of me.
To see you even stronger.
His opponents are just fodder. I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display. And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me. I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
He still hasn't
This time you'll have to fight the clock as well.
You're strong indeed, as you must be.
Okay, now I think it's time to use my device.
Do you really think you can get me with such a pathetic little trick? I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Strong indeed, as you must be.
Don't interfere! Don't start!
Even stronger. You mustn't hesitate. Destroy to your heart's content.
Nearly 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me. This is a waste of my time. Is this all you think of my power? Bring them all on at once.
Such confidence. You may regret it.
If you want to defeat Itachi, discard your needless emotions.
Revenge. That's my only emotion.
Said without hesitation. But yes, that is how you must be. Shaping up perfectly for me. I love it.
Don't interfere! Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Not bad at all, Sasuke.
Naturally gifted with such power. I must have it. No matter what. I must.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Show me. I want to see you even stronger.
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
More.
Don't interfere!
Show me your power. You're strong indeed, as you must be.
Rip you to pieces!
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
Rip you to pieces!
Show me. I want to see you even stronger.
Don't interfere! Sorry, shark!
You mustn't hesitate. Destroy to your heart's content.
A mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
More. Show me your power. You're strong indeed, as you must be.
These opponents are just fodder.
I'll use the curse mark. Over here!
And a mere 1,000 of them. Not a challenge worthy of me.
Over here! Over here!
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Over here! Over here!
As you must be. Show me. I want to see you even stronger.
That was it? Really?
Now, would you come back over here?
I should have finished this while I had the chance.
More. Show me your power.
So, what did you...
Don't worry. I won't let you get...
These are the... However, they're quite powerful.
Bring them on over.
I hope you enjoyed my little surprise.
It wasn't bad.
Not bad, huh? A harsh critic.
Don't interfere! Shorty shark!
These opponents are just fun.
Where's a perfect vessel for me? Soon that will be mine.
Rip you to pieces!
Electrifying. That expression, facing 1,000 opponents without batting an eye. Sasuke, you really must be. More. Show me your power.
Rip you to pieces!
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Rip you to pieces!
You mustn't hesitate. Destroy to your heart's content.
Rip you to pieces!
You're strong indeed, as you must be.
I never thought you'd try to test my power with such a pitiful display.
Impressive, Sasuke.
Mission complete.
Did I get them all?
And without a single fatal blow, you're still as long as you have mercy, you'll never defeat it.
I'll be merciless enough when I see him. That won't take any effort.
He faced that many opponents without breaking a sweat. They called me a genius, but compared to just a little longer, a little more